Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to download videos from Facebook. Let's get started. First, we're going to click the Facebook app. And then we're going to find a video, which you could find right here. Let's just find one quickly. And here's some of the videos. We're going to click on the video. And then we're going to click copy.
Okay, it's ready.
Now the link is go out, Facebook, and click Safari. So all I did was click download Facebook videos, and then you just click any one. Usually anyone works. Click paste, the little pasty button right here, and then click download. And then there's a whole bunch of videos where you could download in 720p HD. I'm going to click that one, click the X, and then it says download. And then we're going to go over here in the corner where it's the little blue arrow that's pointing down. Click that. Click downloads. Click the first video. Okay, here's the video. Oh. And then you can click it. Click the little download button in the corner. Scroll down. Save video. And go out of it. Go to gallery. And there's the video. Right there. That's it. That's all you have to do. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you in any way, please like and subscribe. Bye.